Meaning of hairless.
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 Hairless. The term hairless refers to the characteristic of lacking hair or fur. It is commonly used to describe animals or humans who have very little or no hair on their bodies. This can occur naturally due to genetic factors or as a result of intentional hair removal methods, such as shaving or waxing. Hairlessness can be seen in various animal species, including dogs, cats, and rodents, as well as in some breeds of domesticated animals. In humans, hairlessness can occur as a result of medical conditions or treatments, such as chemotherapy.